What is going on, guys? Today I got me an OBSBOT Tiny 2, and I want to show you guys the footage that comes straight out of this webcam. Anyway, I've done a huge video on this already with me explaining all the little features that come with this little webcam, but today I want to show you guys the actual footage that comes out of it, which it's pretty incredible. Just view this footage right here, okay? This is what I look like on my professional camera. Now we're going to turn over to the Tiny 2, and this is what it looks like right here on straight out of the camera. I did not do anything to it at all. I didn't do beauty effect or anything like that. It's just straight out of the camera right here, guys. This thing is phenomenal. The video quality is amazing. You can actually see or read some of the things that, oh, there you go. So when I point to something like this, it actually zooms in. Anyway, so I won't point, but you guys can see the game that I'm playing back there. You guys probably know which game that is. That's how phenomenal this camera is. I won't go into all the little features of this camera. I just want to show you guys the actual video quality that's coming from this camera. But I do want to mention a super helpful feature on this thing, which is tracking. Right now I'm just using normal tracking, and you can see that I can go back and forth, and it's pretty fast, all right? And then you can do headless tracking, which, you know, if you don't want your boss to see who you are, you can do this, and it will just zoom right in. You can still move. You can still move. That's the amazing part about this, is that you can still move, and it will track you, and your boss won't see your messy hair, all right? Now, there's a bunch of other stuff too, where it's like close up, where it zooms in. It'll always zoom in, even if I move back like this. Even if I move back. See that? Yeah, so there's features like that. But then I also wanted to show you guys my last favorite feature, because I don't want to go into all of them. Obviously, there's whiteboard and stuff like that, where the camera tilt down and show your desk. No, I don't want to talk about that. One thing that I want to talk about is the hand mode. All right, so right now it's tracking my right hand. See this? It's tracking my right hand. Yeah. So I want to change to my left hand now, and now it should track just my left hand. So I'm going to put both up real quick. And as you can see, it's only tracking my left hand. You see that? So it depends on who you are for that feature to be helpful. For me, I do product reviews, and so if I have something in my hand, I want it to, you know, keep shooting my hands, right? So that is super useful if you're one of those that uses that, you know, try to show your boss stuff on camera. I think it's pretty useful. I've never seen a feature like that in any webcam before. It's pretty phenomenal that they have this. Anyway, I just want to show you guys that, and also show you guys the footage of this camera. I'm literally shooting it straight from this camera right here, and I'm just doing a recording. That's all I'm doing. Yeah, anyway, hope you guys find this thing useful. I'm going to see you in the next one. Have a good one. Bye-bye.